Google Drive is a cloud storage service launched by Google in 2012. Users get 15 gigabytes of free storage with their accounts. However, this is split between Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. You can store pretty much anything in Google Drive. Documents, videos, audio, photos, PDFs. You get the idea. If you want to create a Google account, you're going to want to follow this link. It's posted in the description below. We're going to log in as our patron Lisa Tech. Welcome to your inbox. Through this account, you'll have access to a few different Google applications that work with Google Drive. If you're using Gmail through university, you may see some different coloring and badging with their logo instead of Google's branding. Let's check out Lisa's Drive. Google Drive shows the user documents that they have been accessing recently or most often in the Quick Access section. Beneath that, any folders created in the drive will be shown. And beneath the folders will be all of the files uploaded to the user's drive. You can sort by name, file size, date modified, and a few other ways depending on what floats your boat. An advantage to Google Drive is the option to share your files with others. Those with access can view, comment, or make edits to the files depending on the permissions you choose to allow. This makes group participation much easier, especially if there's distance between you and your collaborators. To share folders and files with friends and colleagues, right-click on the folders or files and select either Share or Get Shareable Link. This will copy a link to your clipboard, while the first option will email that link to specific individuals. Both let you play with some settings like read-only permissions for those with the link and disabling download of the file. Wait, but what happens to my stuff if and when my account is deleted? If a user account is deleted, after 20 days, their Drive contents will be deleted as well. It's always good to have another backup, and Google Drive offers the option to export your entire Drive contents for these instances. It's especially good if you're accessing Gmail and Drive through a school. You don't have to say so long to your data while saying so long to your school. And that's the basics for personal use of Google Drive and Gmail. You can find links to make your own account below, and some further reading if you're interested. Thanks for watching.